Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use Pictory AI text to video to generate this kind of automated videos. So let's just begin. You can see we have script on left side, we have our scenes and everything automatically added. We even have captions that we can edit, change text or whatsoever that you would like. So what you can do is simply head over to your home page, and by the way, we have a link in the description of this video that can provide you 40% off onto their plans to unlock amazing features onto Pictory. So access the link below. So click on text to video. Now you need to enter in here your script. Let's just say you are shooting something let's just say cinematic. You can start with an idea and it is going to be making your video even more dramatic. Let's say it is a marketing video. Make a phone marketing video for my application. So you can simply click on generate script and hold on a bit until it loads. You can see the script is ready, and then once it is, you can click on generate video option and it will be creating your video in no time. And eventually once it loads, you're going to be having this kind of videos with automatically added different kind of elements such as visuals, scripts, and text effects, and also captions. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.